What's up, Shades? Yeah, my bad. I accidentally closed the window. Yeah. Oh, shoot. And the chat is not updating. So I probably need to set that up real quick. Great. All right. Sorry, Chris, one sec. Or, I mean, Shades. Scratch that. This is Loop Cell. You can play it. I have a link in chat. Well, not in chat, but like in the stream description, I think. Okay, now your chats are showing up in my overlay. Perfect. I fixed it. Yeah, this is the Game Jam game that I made for GMTK. And we're gonna put it on Steam, so we're just trying to add stuff to it and all that jazz. But right now, I've got moving platforms working, but the problem is that the hat is now completely borked. Just like doesn't even work anymore. So that's fun. Like I can't even shoot it where I'm aiming. It like shoots the wrong way. That's so weird. I wonder why. And like I can't even see this little arrow thing when I stand on this. The arrow just like disappears for some reason. So weird. I have no idea what's going on. That's fun. Joys of building from scratch. Yep. Yeah, the hat works great like this. Like this? Nope. I mean, at least we've got a failsafe, I guess. It'll just like teleport to you. Oh, I clicked the survey on accident. That's funny. Just call it AI, it'll be fine. Probably true. Yeah, why is the arrow disappearing and the hat disappearing when I do this? I don't understand. Actually, wait. And the problem is that it also, like... Yeah, even if I'm already standing here... What is that all about? Oh, wait. Is the position getting... Okay. We're doing this again. I wonder if the position is going crazy. Like, I think it's putting it up here. Wait. Is it putting it at 0, 0? I can't see it. Probably not. Here, let's hide this. No. Let's just click on the Hatterang. Where's the position? Position. No. 0, 16. Okay, what about the arrow? Position 0, 8. Okay, let's put some code in. Okay, so when the arrow is visible, let's show the arrow's position. Okay, let's do global position. He's dead, Jim. Oh, did my stream die again? All right, I do have a bunch of stuff open. Let me close it real quick. I'll close this. 10 seconds. Oh no. All right, let's see what else is open. Is it better now? It says my memory is almost full. What's taking up all my memory? Just Chrome. Oh, I've got 71 tabs open apparently. How is that? Does that shrink my memory usage? Yes, I just closed 30 tabs. Let's close this one too. They get you with those groups, man. I have like a bunch of groups open. Here, let me close more tabs. I don't need all these open right now. That should be good. All right, memory usage is a little bit better. A little bit better. Okay, yeah, we're gonna call that good. Stream should be much better now. All right. Okay, the mouse position is obviously not moving. The arrow is not moving. So where is the arrow going? The arrow's gone. Why is it invisible? How about we get rid of this? So the arrow's always showing. Okay. And then it just disappears. Why? Am I back? I learned to just use bookmarks. Yeah. Did I go down for a sec again? Dang it. Sucks. I wonder what's going on. Because I've, you know, closed most everything at this point. Guess I could close this. Not really using it right now. Not using this. Close this. The music gets all distorted. Oh, so is this music app struggling? Here, I'll close music and pull it back up. Ah, great. All right, well, let's hope that keeps it up or something. I don't know. Time to buy Threadripper Pro. Okay, so I reparent myself. I should reparent all the children. To the area. Okay, let's see where I'm getting reparented. So now it is a child of this. Of this. Where is the Hattering? It's in the same position. $102. Yeah, this is weird. Okay, 102. Oh, except for that's not the real position. That's the position I'm sitting. This is the real position. Okay. An arrow. Okay, see you, Shades. Thanks for showing up. Sup? What's up, Most Dog? You have any ideas why this is happening? I've got... Oh, well. Hang on. Let me restart this. So, everything works great. Like this. Throw the hat. It's great. But I hop on the moving platform. And now I'm a child of the moving platform. The hat doesn't work. Hat's just gone. The arrow is gone. Oh, which actually probably means that it's just the hat that's the problem, huh? Because the arrow is a child of the hat. That's right. Okay, so... when I'm throwing the hat... Oh, wait, I need to go to the hat. Idle? So what's idle state, Mos? Is it the invisible state? Idle. No. When the hat's on the head. Interesting. So the arrow looks at the mouse when it's idle. Okay. Oh, I didn't know you could do this. It's cool. Yeah, it's working great. Like, the player is just a child of the moving platform. The position is relative. Oh, that is interesting though. When I go like this, now my position is 450. That's a little ah. My collision shapes go away. I wonder where they go. Let's find out. So player, the collider is at -1, -8. Okay, so I become a parent of the moving platform. Let's print collider position. Ah, why do I suck at typing so much? Collider? Did I name it? Oh, this is what I want. I did not name it. But I did name the feet. Okay. Feet dot global position. Yeah, that's all correct. Let's do... Where's my process? There it is. We'll do the collider dot global position feet dot global position self dot global position. Oh, yep, right here. This is wrong. Okay. That's going to be a lot of logs. I mean, everything checks out. Player, collider. Yeah, my position is like 500 something here, which is super weird. It has to do with like the original position of the thing, and then, but why isn't screen wrap working then? Oh, it's because the global position. Should we try a thing? Boop. Global. And then global. I think that totally fixed it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Holy. I did not think that was gonna like completely fix it. So we go back up here. Let's get rid of this log. And oh shoot. Yeah, my stream has been in and out today. I feel bad. But I fixed it. Dang it. You didn't see it, did you? Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. And then look, the arrow and the hat are back. And it goes back to the player correctly now. That is amazing. Yes, I fixed it. Okay, so basically, Eth, I was noticing that the logs were saying this. Oh, I have to go way back, huh? They were showing that the player was like, look at this. The player was like in the 500s globally, right? So basically he was over here off the right side of the screen. Because the moving platforms position, I think its starting position. Let's find out. Transform. Its starting position is off screen, basically, right? I just happened to do that on accident, I guess. And so I was like, oh, that's weird. Like, I would have thought that the screen wrap would fix that. And then I was like, oh, the screen wrap was only doing the normal position, not the global position. Which is fine. I think that that's actually how I would have done it too. But then I was just like, let's just try putting in global position, see if it works. I fully expected it to just completely freak out, but it was the solution. So that's great. The hat finally goes back and everything. No, I mean, again, I think that I would have put normal position as well. I wouldn't have thought that I need global position for this. Does the hat, I mean, I guess everything, like all these screen wrap functions probably use. Actually, in fact, we use the screen wrap function a lot, don't we? I wonder if we could globalify it. Yeah, I think the box uses it. I think the moving platform uses it. No, the moving platform doesn't use it. It just has, but the box definitely does. Where is it? Pushable box. Yeah, right there. So I'm going to write a global for that, so we can just reuse that. And we'll just grab these. Oh, Okay, so it'll be node dot, what am I doing? We're gonna do a block edit. Node dot global underscore escape. Perfect. And then I don't need to do this anymore. And let's go, yeah, layer, screen wrap, gone. And where is it mad? Right up here. Do that. Let's see if it works. Works great. All right, let's put it in the hat. Let me just get this song. It's got a dog barking in it, apparently. Isabella's theme. Move that from the playlist. And then, oh, now the real question is, does this get unused? Yeah, I can get rid of the reference to that, which is nice because I wasn't really a fan of this. Yeah, no references. Okay. I was not a fan of how we were doing that. Pushable box. Global dot screen wrap self. All right, let's see. This is in global. Okay. Got rid of all of it. Let's see if global.viewport is used anywhere now. Loopable? Yeah, this is some jank code that I wrote. I wonder if the better way to do this is to do, I'm gonna try it. I keep refactoring things, but I'm just gonna do it. Func, and this will be get loop positions, and it'll return an array of vector 2s. Or is it vector 2i is what I want, I think. And that this will be return. Can I just create an array from out of thin air? That's the real question here. And it will be vector 2i, comma, viewport.x, viewport.y. Okay, so we'll go with the zeros first. Zero, zero, and it is negative. Oh yeah, row, negative, positive. Got it. And then this will be negative viewport X. And 0, negative. Okay, so now we get all these loop positions. And we just do for position in add loopable position. And oh. Then we get rid of all these. Oh man, my stream keeps leaving. I might just need to restart my computer or something. It's so annoying. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, it's a vector 2, not a vector 2i is what I need. X. Do a little bit of block edit. There we go. And then this right here will be position vector 2, and we just need to do position. That's it, right? So now we can get rid of this reference, I think. Yeah. Hello, Mojo. Hello, chat. Oh, wow, you can subscribe now. Yeah, I keep meeting basic monetization requirements on YouTube and Twitch. I think, I mean, I guess if you can subscribe, then I have set up the whole bank account thing correctly. I have not set anything up for YouTube yet. I can set up members and super chats, I think. Let's up those numbers. Yeah, I think I can add things, but I just haven't yet, and I don't know. I think I want them to be like you can super chat and then you get a stream key or something, or not a stream key, a Steam key for Droppy Ball, so that you don't get nothing, you know. But yeah, I mean, if you sub and you want to, you want a Steam key or something, I don't know. I could maybe, I mean, I think Sir Lunchalot, you've played the game more than anyone else, so you definitely don't need a Steam key. But maybe I'd give you one so you could give it to a friend or something. All right. Let's just check that this new loopable system also works. That's great. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so maybe with the hat, we don't want the global position. Or no, the problem. Actually, wait. Holy cow. Wait, I just want to try this out. I don't know why the hat sprite is not looping though. That's a little frustrating. No, the position is just not working. Ooh, there's another post in the Droppy Ball discussions. Let's go look at it. Yeah, I need to get back to Droppy Ball stuff at some point. I think maybe next week I will work on Droppy Ball. Okay. Discussions. Yeah. Yep. Oh, does he share? Can I like see the hours? Oh boy, I probably shouldn't have come in here on stream. It doesn't say their hours played. Yep, that's definitely like the biggest bug I have is the balls will go through the box. I think what I'm gonna do is a really kind of a janky fix, but it's basically gonna be that like I overwrite the integrated forces and make it so that the position can never be greater than the box unless it's over this point. The only problem with that is then there's an if statement in my integrated forces. So we're going to find out if that works. If it does, then it works. If it doesn't, then I'll have to figure something out. But that's my current plan for it. Have not found anything else in almost 30 hours. Dude, you're the best. Well, thank you so much. Yeah, I mean, I obviously had very few playtesters, but yeah, I'm pretty OCD about the game working and feeling good. A second frame could fix that, maybe. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'll have to do this on stream. You can be there when I'm doing it. Don't worry. I'll try to fix that bug on stream. But holy cow, moving platform works. Oh, except for I forgot I was doing a Hattering thing. I guess. What? Global. Let's just make another one. We'll do this one can be called. Oh, one sec. Global screen wrap. And then this one can be the normal screen wrap for things that don't want to be global. That. Your wife played on Saturday and she loves it. Sweet. Yeah, I definitely want to get it on mobile. That was actually the original goal, was to put it on mobile. And so that is in the cards. That is going to happen. And that it'll be free on mobile, so you won't have to pay for it. But then I'm probably going to do like an in-game purchase or something. I don't know. I gotta figure it. I gotta figure that all out. It's a lot of learning. Super new to all of this. Let's see if this fixed the hat, by the way. What have I done? Yes. It's a game dev moment. I can't even use the hat anymore. Perfect. What have I done? Oh, I see the problem here. Okay. So the problem here, we're going to make another one of these. Actually, I could just use this one. Is it passed by reference? It's got to be, right? We'll find out. It is not passed by reference. Interesting. Can I do like... Dang it. Just have to return it. It'll be vector 2. Okay, I'm going to, well, I don't know. I gotta decide, can I make the moving platform? Did I reposition it too? Oh, I did. Negative 11.5. This also needs to be negative 11.5. So let's see if a smaller moving platform will work. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. It's not hard to get on and off, I feel like, just because it kind of like snaps. The player like attaches to it, right? So we can make it one tile wide. And it'll work. What's that called then? An isometric platformer? This is not isometric. I can show you what isometric would be real quick. Let's go to like level 2. So isometric would be if I... Oh, I thought it was easier to find. Is it a custom Mosdog? Do you know? Oh, there it is. There it is. Isometric. It'd be like this. So all of the tiles are like on a bias. Yeah, tilted. And yeah, I would probably do something more like this, right? And so, and then my player would be walking like, you know, diagonally. So anyway, there you go. That's what isometric means. Also, this is not a platformer either. This is, I think the term for our kind of game is actually a Sokoban game. So Sokoban, here, I'll pull this up, because I also think this is kind of interesting. Sokoban. Going to Google Images on stream. It's this old game where you just move in a grid and you're solving puzzles by like pushing things around, and like it's more about like you get stuck because you do something wrong, and so you have to like undo, basically. And so our game is more like this, where it's not a movement game, Although we might change it to be more of a movement game, because we think that's fun. But yeah, right now it's more of you're trying to solve the puzzle on the floor. So different take on it for sure. But that's definitely why I wanted to do the pushable blocks. Let's we should get the moving platform working for boxes now, huh? It's not gonna work. Oh, and it doesn't pull the player through the box. I'd have to be pushing it. That's so interesting. Yeah, let's do the box. The boxes, they do serve a purpose on level 7. Or no, level 6. Nope, level 7. So on this level, you have to push them on top of the buttons to pass the level. You tried pushing them around for about an hour? What were you trying to do? Like, spell bad words or what? That's awesome. Just see if there's anything. Yeah, these are just, it's just the title, and I thought it'd be funny to be able to, like, mess around with the title. But yeah, in level 7, they actually mean something. You have to use them. And then level 8... did this get fixed? It did not get fixed. I think I need to merge in master at some point. But there's going to be a box here that you have to push onto the button that's going to be here. Okay, but back to the moving platform. The collision layer is... No, that's the mesh. This thing. Safe. Okay, yeah, I need to fix some stuff. So on the player, on feet entered, a safe zone. But it's not going to be that anymore. It's going to be moving platform. Aha! I think I can do... I don't need these anymore. What is this? If player? Yeah, I don't need to do this either. That's old code. This is also old code. This is great. Okay. So going back to the player, I wonder... No, I can't do that. So if it's... Why isn't that working? All right. Not find moving platform. Okay, that fixed it. Let's get rid of this. If it's a kill zone, death is true. That's fine. If not safe and death, die. Oh, you know what I can do though? I can just do this. And then yeah. This. Yes. This is what I want. And then this needs to come back one. Let's see how this is working. Just make sure it's still working. It appears to still be working. Nice. Okay. So the next thing is pushable box. Oh, I ran out of time. All right. That's it for me today. We did it. We fixed the moving platform and the hat stuff. And we had a game dev moment. Good stream. Good stream. I'll have to make a short about that later. Those are always fun. All right. Well, I'll talk to y'all later.